Hi there, my name is Chandler Poppin, and today I will be covering Block 3. The topics that I will be discussing today are jobs in information technology, information security, and ethics in information technology. There are many different types of jobs in information technology. The 10 most commonly known are a software developer, computer systems analyst, web developer, information security analyst, database administrator, civil engineer, mechanical engineer, IT manager, computer programmer, and computer systems administrator. The four that I will discuss in detail are software developer, web developer, IT manager, and computer programmer. A software developer is the brains behind all of the fun applications on your phones, but they can also be the person that builds an operating system, such as the iOS's. The next IT job that I will focus on is a web developer. A web developer works with the fonts and layouts of the websites that you love to use. Another IT job is an IT manager. The IT manager is the head of the IT department of any company, and they are the person to talk to when you have technical problems with your computer, such as programs not working how they're supposed to. The final IT job I will focus on is a computer programmer. A computer programmer is in charge of testing and maintaining programs for computers. A job in computer programming takes patience and a vast knowledge of computers. The next topic I will be discussing is information security, specifically types of information security. Information security is also called InfoSec, and it's the protection of important information on a computer from people with bad intentions. There is a triad of information that is aimed to be protected by information security. The triad consists of confidentiality, integrity, and availability. Confidentiality refers to the protection of private information from the public and is accessible to only those who need the information. An example of this is with my job at the Billiken Ticket Office, where we deal with many credit card numbers and other information. But that data is only available to certain computers for certain people. The next item in the triad is integrity. Integrity refers to the accuracy of the data available. The last item is availability. Availability is showing that the information is available to those who need it. In order to get work done, the information has to be available to people in some capacity. It's because of InfoSec that the information is protected. Some of the information that is vital to be protected is, but not limited to, social security numbers, bank account numbers, credit card numbers, and health information. Security is also often based on the status of the information presented on a website or page. The final topic that I will be discussing today is on ethics in information technology. Many people know what ethics is, but ethics in relation with information technology is much more complex and diverse. There are many difficult ethical situations that IT people face every day, and some of those are privacy, ownership, control, and accuracy. Privacy is the idea of the vast amount of information about people being used for different functions. The government collects information about people for a number of different reasons, including for a census, demographic information, and tax purposes. This then raises the question of whether it is ethical to use that information, which is those people's privacy, to hopefully better their lives by being able to offer them products they would be interested in. Another ethical situation in information technology is through ownership. Ownership is the idea of information being used by an individual that either classifies as employee knowledge or as knowledge of the company's property. The largest time this is relevant is when a person changes from one company to its competitor. The next ethical issue is control. Control focuses on how much power the company has over its employees and how they monitor their employees' behaviors. The ethical question arises on the extent to which a company needs to tell an employee how much they are monitoring them. Finally, the last ethical issue is accuracy. Accuracy is fairly self-explanatory and has changed a lot recently with the growth of technology. Technology makes things more accurate, however, and it is important that people always check their accuracy when using these new technological advances. To recap, the main points that I have discussed here in Block 3 are jobs in IT, information security, and ethics in IT. Thank you for listening.